why should you be using video? Okay, I think a lot of you that are here probably know how important video is and how effective video is. You know, part of the reason is because people are lazy. Myself, I would rather watch a video than read a whole bunch of text, and most people would. Okay, so let's look at a few statistics. They say that consumers are 85% more likely to purchase a product after watching a product video. So that's huge. If you're in business, that's huge. Create a video and you're going to get 85% consumers more likely to purchase that product or your service as well. Now here's an amazing statistic. 1 minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. Okay? That's because there's so much going on in video, even in the subconscious really. So you've got audio, you've got visual, you've got so much happening there that it's just quite amazing how effective video is. And according to Simply Measured, video is shared 1,200 more times than links and text combined. Now we're in the age of social media and shares, and that's what you need to have a successful business. Or if you're from an educational organisation, you know, you want people to share your content. So 1,200 times more. That alone is enough reason to be creating videos. And also 92% of mobile video users share video. How many people on their mobiles today? Just about everybody. In the last few years, it's gone from about 30% to about 80, 90%. Most people just use their mobiles now. Video and email leads to 200 to 300% more click-through rate. There's a whole lot of statistics there. There's a lot of reasons to use video. Okay, so what's the problem? As I said before, we're not confident when we're in front of the camera. Without any training, we can't just get in front of the camera. We're not confident, we don't really know how to present well, and we freeze up. Or our videos are often poor quality and lack credibility. You can create professional looking videos with a smartphone, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this workshop. And, but you just need to know how to do that. Okay, so you need to present well, you need to know all the other bits and pieces, sound, audio, framing, etc.